unahan? Ay, dito. 1 hour lang yan eh. Ah, ito pala yung swimming. Dito pala yung show. Maganda dito tayo sa unahan kanina. Dito lang pala yung show.
Eh, pasilayan lang eh. They start sharply and like screaming above, 2, 3, 2, 6. Yes, our Python. Once again, our ball Python, Sahara with great energy. And now I have with me here the bearded dragon, belonging to the genus Cornet and distinctive bird of spiky seals. In the wild, bearded dragons are carnivores, showing insects with vision and occasionally roots. Silver cup. So we're going to do the subject on your left and your right arm in the middle. Which side? Left, right arm, middle. Okay, let's put it right here. Rules such as Korean, papaya, and also love war. Now guys, do you think that's enough ability to point Caesar object? Raise your hands and say, you can do it, Rosanna.
You can do it. Ayaw na. Basta pa kayo.
the race started on.
Are you sure about that? Do you want to do this again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I want a race. And what is the race? The first bird who drops to the goal, the fastest winner, and that is the ring race. So the ring race, it shall be another nice. Boys have already 1 point, and girls, come on, let's just Sassy to win this time. And we will win this again and this time. Are girls ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky, forward ready. Followed by the second yellow, what's happening? Into the correct snap. Just like Sassy, Rio was from South America and the dental giant of the product point. This because they're the second largest next to the Tennessee Falls. They can grow to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Said name is Arachnota. They usually fill seeds, nuts, salt, minerals along the riverbanks. And second to the back gate. Let's go there. And for the back gate. And there you go. Number correct. So what's the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. And he gets once again, running the soul power with Canada to send enemies down to our senses. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia and the Belarus among the world. Look at the camera and over your cheek. Sweet, one more. And one. Awesome. Almost her hand. Just over your palm. Look at the camera and smile. And there is your money. Our Lucros for volunteer and money. Now, introducing our colorful and intelligent panel, we would like to introduce you the 6 birds caring for the local park. Birds of prey also known as these birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Pakistan, China, and the US. And here comes beer. They are known as slowing or bumping. During Manila Park, really, there is hope. We only have time to go progress in the sea, but also in the land better as well. Now guys, who knows the class? Simply lose or lose. Let's go, buddies. Please, let's all warm participating the world. Because remember, this is the only home with God. Now, let me present to you the personal trainers who made this show possible. Trainer John with Body.
Alright, here we go. Let's give it up for Zero and Brass. It's showtime. Good day everyone and welcome to our podcast. By the way, my name is Davey and I would like to meet my sea lion friends together with the players one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the beauteous, confident. Her name is Isis. Together with her friends, say hi. While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the prettiest. Her name is Ira. Together with her, everyone say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called feet or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term Philippines may also be translated as swift-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know, they often sing like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and the sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk right wide on land. And that's a fun demonstration of the prophecy of grass. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So that's alright. How about another prophecy of grass? As you can see, their bodies covered with a coat of short coarse hair, and the whiskers have the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Ooh, what a nice smile! Hey! And they may also use their whiskers to aid navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a sense of hearing both up and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see both up and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores. Black white lips with typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale Rocky, correct. So, very strong from flavors. And now let's talk about their swimming abilities. Let's start with Ira, the mutants. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder or steering. And that's the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ira and Peter. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a first speed up to 20 axis, 1.5 miles per hour. And that's really a fast swim. How about a round of applause for Isis, the previous. Great job, Isis. Back to your seat. Ooh, nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. So here's an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained them to take part in special operation? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by a radar in the water, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater runs. Alright, ladies, are you ready? Well then, soon. Now let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, soon. Now listen, guys. Could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? And the count of 3, everybody to salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I didn't hear you. Are you ready? Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. When sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Alright, what works? The rings. Alright, ladies, get those rings. And they got it. How about the round of applause for sea lion friends? Wake up, ladies, you got your equipment. And they asking for it. Alright, winners, after the rings, one entry on the balls. So how do you need to get the balls? It's a ball. Careful, ladies. Almost there. It's there. And one. The rings and the racing balls. Now let's move on. Now this time guys, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends?
Ayaw nila.
Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Now, wiggle maestro. Come on, winners, sea lion fans. Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody! Come on, ladies, show them their side, one side. And the flavor lesson. Rock and roll, as this rock. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Monica with a new conference for South American Sea Lions, Isis, and Ira. And also hope that even after your leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land will benefit our best in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animals, cannot survive in a toxic environment, so let's keep our surroundings clean.